Practice backing into a parking space on the right. Center the car in the parking lot, just leaving sufficient room for a car to get by you on the left. Signal to the right, keep going straight, and then you select the lane you would like to get into. Now I'd like to back into this lane here on the right, so I keep going straight until the back bumper of my car is in the middle of the next lane. Then I make a complete stop. So you have to look over your right shoulder to figure out where the back of the car is, and it's right there. Place the gear selector to reverse. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the right. Now check all around to make sure it's okay to do this. Then ease off the brake pedal and let the car do the job. And you just keep checking constantly while the car backs up into the parking space. Now stop when the car is straight in this lane, which is ahead of our car, right there. Turn the steering wheel to the left until it looks like the face of a clock. Then continue to turn to the left until it looks like the face of a clock again. Then check around and then ease off the brake pedal. Let the car do the job, backing into the parking space. And all you have to do is keep checking all the way in. Apply the parking brake. Place the gear selector to park. You're done.